everybody. I am teacher Yoyo, and today our story is Baby Bird. Peep, 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 peep. Baby Bird. Once the baby bird is in the egg. The baby bird he has small legs. She has small wings. She is very, very small. And she's very warm and happy. Then something's happened. The baby bird grow and grow. Oh my! Her peep is very long, very stronger. His wing is very bigger and bigger. Oh! Whoa, look at me. And look at me. I am bigger and bigger and bigger. So I can throw that more and I can run out of this rope. Ouch! The baby bird grow and grow. Whoa, look at me. My peep is getting stronger. And my legs are getting longer. And my wings are getting bigger and much bigger. And much bigger. This big is so small. Ouch! I'm so much big to this peak. Ouch! My leg is too high. What can I do? I know what I can do. I can pick with my strong beak. I can pick with my beak. I can pick. I can pick. I can pick. I can pick. She did not stop. Quack, quack, quack. And the baby bird get out of the egg. Now my long leg can chop. My big wing can flap. And I have a long space. Have a bug, said the mother bird. But the girl, I tell you the questions. Where is the baby bird? Yes, that's right. It's in the egg. I'm Teacher Yoyo. Thank you for reading the story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.